All right, so another update after the last little downtrend in all the cryptos. It's the 18th of May. So finally, after my analysis from before, Bitcoin's come down to touch the low 40s level. I was saying around the 44 mark, so it did come down to about 42. And so we can see that it's been sort of in a range for the last few months, since about Feb, just going up and down in this range. So now we're at the bottom of the range. That will probably be a good time to buy if you were going to. Obviously, the top is a shit time to buy. So anything around here, I like a buy there. And also we've got this 50 moving average. Actually, this might be the 200 moving average coming up to meet the support here at the bottom of the range. So as that line comes up, as the price keeps going, so I'm assuming that it's going to dick around here for a little bit. This line is going to come up to meet around here, maybe around the 41, 42 mark. And then we're going to see a nice bounce up. And look, I don't want to predict the future, but I reckon if it does have a nice bounce off here, it should break through the top of the range and keep going, a lot higher than it was before. So definitely a nice time to have a look over here. Also, that would mean that all the altcoins will be going up as well. And this probably is going to be the last push upwards for everything for this market cycle. So I'll go through the altcoins. Started with XLM, a bit too high at the moment. Kind of needed it around this 55 level, around with this 50 moving average as well. So around the 55, 56. A little bit too high for anyone to buy there, but buy orders in around here. XRP in Aussie dollars, again in a range, got rejected off the top once again, so that's been like the 100th time it's got rejected. If it does come down to around this 150 mark, 160 in Aussie, that's looking like a buy for me. I probably might buy a little bit more. In USD, that would equate to, what's that? Okay, so the top of the range is there, like $1.20. $1.20 up to, $1.25 in USD is a nice buy for XRP because we see a lot of upside on that one. Algo, again, ranges again, bigger range this time. The bottom is actually down here in the 90 cent mark, but we have been holding this $1.20 area. So nice time to buy. Algo at $1.20 with leave a little juice to possibly average it down into the 90 cent mark if it comes there. But that's looking like a nice time to buy here. Litecoin USD, middle of nowhere. Nothing really looking good there. I would want it at 230, 240. No trade there, but orders in around here. Ethereum, bit of a pullback after quite a big run. Looking kind of juicy, possibly at this level. What's this? 3,000. It's a psychological price level, like a round number. We could probably put in a little support action right there, and that will coincide with the 50-day moving average. So 3K looking good on Ethereum. It is still up quite a bit, so don't be expecting it to be running massively. It's already come up quite a bit, so just be careful on that one. But if I was going to buy it, it'd be around here. What do you got? Reef. Middle of the range that it's been in for, again, a few months. But we do have support at 34. I'm in a packet at 34. Just got filled on that 2 nights ago. Got another buy order in at 26 as well, because this is a pretty strong support too. So maybe half and half, just in case it never comes back down here again, and we can at least get a little bit in there so we can capture some moves. Dent, not looking the best. Looks like more of a downtrend than anything, but we are at a support at the 60 cent mark, but it's not looking super strong. However, we got big margins on Dent. So let's say you buy here at 63, just to get back up to the next resistance level is like 50%. So that's how I would be trading dent here. But then again, we have a lot of downside until the next support. It's like 42% down. So be careful on that one. That's like a short trade. If it starts to go down too low, I'd just fucking sell it. I'd probably wait for a little bit more strength, like a green candle or something in here, and then I'd use that as a bit of momentum to grab a trade going forward. Cardano, big push up. Never retested the old all-time highs, which is really what I was looking for a trade. So I'm not in this. The other thing you can look to is resistance over here at $1.80. Possibly getting a retest of that. Not a bad time to buy $1.82, $1.84. But like for a more solid trade, I'd want it to come down to the $1.50 mark, $1.40. But I can put a half there, half there. Riff. Getting to good prices. 20 cents, nice support. Yeah, liking it there. So 20 cents is a good time for Riff. What's next? Decentraland Mana. Again, dollar, good price there. Next support at 80 cents. But yeah, I might actually take a buy on this one today. I really like Decentraland when we got a good upside potential there till the next resistance, about 50%. So yeah, dollar's a good buy there. Safe Wallet, not a bad price. In at $1.70 on this one. Just at the bottom of the support. Yeah, this one's looking good. We got support there. Hopefully doesn't break down into it. You could count this as like a bigger range over here as well. Probably from here to here, $3 to $1.70. So we're at the bottom of the range. Always a better time to buy than at the top. TLM. Oh, there we go. Let's have a look here. It's a bit jittery. There is some support here, but it keeps on breaking it. I feel like it's forming new support, possibly over here. So we might have to throw in a little something like, what does it look like? Like this. Yeah, that looks good. So 30 cents, looks like the go here and back up to previous all-time highs. That's big gains there. So yeah, nice time to buy here. Not too much downside, I wouldn't say. So yeah, about the 30 cent mark, put an order in there. Meh. It looks okay, but we're not at a prime time. Kind of in the middle of a range here. This is probably the time to buy 40 cents, 45 cents for BZX. Yeah, we're a bit in the middle of nowhere there. Gifto. Yeah, good time to buy. Support. Not much downside left there. And to the next resistance, we got 40% to all-time highs, 180%. Yeah, throw a little bit in each of these. The only thing with some of these that are down a bit is the 50-day moving average is now above the price. So it is a spot where it can get rejected like we saw right here. Spiked up, got rejected straight away. So probably won't get rejected twice from the same moving average, but something to watch out for. 40% gains there if it does, though. CHR, again, at support, looking good. 28 cents to 26 cents, looking quite nice. Ride this back up to the previous resistance, 71% there. And then if we want to take it back to all-time highs, we've got 171%. So good gains there, nice time to buy. Low downside on that one. CHR. TWT, again at support, but we just had a massive breakout. So we do have a range over here. We could come back into the range after this big ass breakout. So that would represent from the current price a 35 to 40% drop. However, if we hold this level, which has been a bit of support, we've got 80% up to all-time highs. So This is a half and half. It's not as strong as the other ones because we can come back into this range. Audio. We're in a... it's up 10% today. I don't like to buy things when they're up on the day because there's more chance of it coming back. But we do have a bit of support here in the zone, and if you buy now, no, not the greatest there. I'd prefer to buy it down here at $1.80. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to look at some shit. Okay, wait. First we'll go VeChain. Really nice time to buy on VeChain. Nice support here, $1.15, sorry. Taking that back up to all-time highs, we got 80%. And then we've got the next level of support at whatever this 8 is. So that's another almost 50% down from there. But nice support here. Again, we got the 50 moving average above the price, which is a pretty bad sign for the price actually. But if we assume that we're still in a bull market, then who gives a shit? Like, we're still low. The price is a bit cheaper, so we can get it, and we're hoping it's going to go way higher than it was before. So from here to the 50 is 30% gains. I'd be looking to lock in some profits around here just in case we get rejected, because we actually haven't retested that yet and got rejected. So a possible move is for it to bounce off this support, move up to here, get rejected, possibly come lower or come back to the support again, and we can buy in again. SHIB, I do want to get a little bit of this action going. It's pretty new, so there's not much price action. Might have to go down to the 1 hour. Not a lot going on here. We do have a support here at, let's say, 15, a resistance at 18, and then this big zone over here, which who knows what's going to happen there. Having said that, the downside is not too low. The previous lows are 20%, and to get back up to the next resistance, 41%, about 50% gains there. I mean, I don't think it's going to get back to all-time highs, but if it does, you're looking at, 200% gain there. But especially with the shit coins, the best time to buy is when it's down. So it's down quite a bit. Something to monitor, can grab it at around this price level. And then the next one is BNB. That's done really well recently. Let's go back on the 4 hour on this though. Yeah, good support here at $4. Sorry, 480, 485. Not a bad time to buy there after it's just gone up quite massively. Again, we've got the 50 creating resistance there if it does bounce back up. So you've only got like a 20% gain there. So, but this is one of the top 5 cryptos, so it's more like an Ethereum kind of vibe. So if it does start to take off again, we could see it going up to like a K or something like that. Maybe, or like if you buy it under 500, you could probably double your money on that one. And then Doge. 40 cents is a really good time to buy in this one. Got the 50 moving up there. Nice bit of resistance, turn support. I don't know how high Doge can go, if it'll go to $1 or not, but this is a nice place to buy if it was going to go higher. But I have no idea on the fundamentals of Doge, so there's that one. And another, this one, Ava, looking really good. Not right now, but this is actually a good crypto to buy travel vouchers and stuff like that with. So $3.50, great time to buy. Put an order in there. It's getting rejected off the 50 moving average quite a bit. So let's see what happens here. Don't fucking buy here. It's in the middle of nowhere. Either here or if we break out and retest there, but I like it here. $3.50 on Travala. I think that should do it. There's a few more around, but I might do another video later. But yeah, so I'm assuming that Bitcoin's not going to go lower than it already is. This was what I wanted to come down to. I don't know if the financial media and the news and stuff are saying, like Bitcoin's crap now, Elon Musk doesn't like it, it's going to go lower, it's going to go, down to 28 or whatever. But this is a really big support here. So if it is going to bounce, it's probably going to bounce around here. I reckon we might muck around here for a little bit and then take a nice move upwards. So definitely good times to buy now on pretty much everything, as long as they're at a support and you have a plan. Not trying to predict the future, we're just trying to map out possible scenarios, and then when they happen, we execute our plans. That's pretty much it. Shit.